Hey, my name's Anth, and I think I'm refreshingly normal. And this is my 2-year-old cockapoo Sammy. We've just bought a motorhome. We've never owned one before, and we've no idea what we're doing. So come join us on our Great British motorhome adventure. Sammy. Sam. You wanna go walk-ins?
Oh, this one, Momo. Look, this one. Momo, this one. Sam. One here. Oh, look, it's a big one here. Look, Momo. This one, here, look. Here.
Just a shame the weather's so poor.
That's what they're buying. What they're buying? Them things. That's what they're buying.
Really?
We can't work out. They make for 2 hours.
Oh!
Apparently.
Red all good bolts and the hat.
Sandy's gonna take his car and truck.
He's a good doggy. He's a good pup doggy.
On the tube to train station, and then we got out of London because, oh my lord.
Sammy. The hot and spicy loaded fries challenge. What did you think, Tash? Does that smell nice, Sammy? Pepperami time. Is it ever sunny in York? Because even the local council advertises this picture and it don't look so sunny in the background.
hebben gebeld. Maar ja, we zijn inmiddels wel een jaar samen. Hè?
Ja, dan ben
Het
je...
gebeurt vaak.
Sam, are we taking too much out of you? You big naffy tart. So right now, right this minute, this is definitely the reason why I wanted to do this trip. We're in a field, nothing exciting about that. And we can see Cineworld over there. But this, I think, is just perfect. The sun's come out after a long rainy day and we're just chilling.